Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'll get to it. So this sketch is the last sketch of the day, and I think it actually did come together quite well, and I'm really happy that all three did actually turn out quite well, and they're in proportion with the structure and the layout and everything. It's the first one took 3 minutes 10, second one 2 minutes 40, third one 2 minutes 45. I'm happy that all three are quite similar to each other, trying to keep them, what's the word? A continuity, trying to keep the continuity and similarity has been a skill that I've had to learn very quickly. So that's also a skill that you can learn through this learning method. And I'm just really enjoying actually doing more challenging sketches and topics to really kind of push my boundaries and see what I can actually achieve now, because I wouldn't have been able to do this 6 months ago or do it any justice. I would have made the eyes far too wide apart, mouth far too full, jaw far too angular, far too many lines, making it all muddy and cluttered. So I'm really happy with the results. I shall see you next time. Thanks guys.